Ka sorkar jela hak arpulai tarik risau, kelashim ya karaban Pynjlan ya kerta jung nonghikai SSA haduh sabusan snem, ban ailat eki bakin la ban apply, ban rungkam hakakam nonghikai, hak skul sorkar nadu lower primary haduh ki higher secondary. Ya kani karai lashim haka jingalang kekenhun menteri kepala penyai da menteri rangba, ukonrat ki sangma haresu belpara North Garo Hills District. Habakran syakinong thok kubor, Menteri Katanat Puli Puthi urakam sangma ulaong. Ka kenhun Menteri Kalapediang ya kajin terwa ban ailat nohikai SSA ba menta, bakin la ban apply bat yashim benta ha kajin penrongkam nohikai high school sorkar, lower primary, upper primary, secondary, bat high secondary haduk karta sabusan senam nadu menta. Kitua ki baladap syak thung kum ki nohikai SSA kat kum ki kendon, ansya eki banyashimenta haka jimpen rongkam haduk bakindakot sapusan senam ula benram. Dangshan ka Meghalaya SSA Schools Association MSSA kelaai ka jimaham arbana yak sorkar jela bermenra da ka polisi ban penskam yaki palat katlai hajar ngut ki nohikai SSA haka jela. Ka sorkar kalakular banwat ikilat kilinti ban penjam ya ka jing ki nohikai SSA.
For the relaxation of the upper age limit for the serving SSA teacher for participation in the recruitment for the government LP and the UP and the higher secondary up to the age of 45 years from now. So those who already appointed in the SSA with due process, they will be allowed to participate in the recruitment process up to the age of 45 years. There are many SSA serving teachers who are already qualified and have MTET pass, but they are overage now. So therefore, just to give them room so that they can apply for their recruitment in the government LP, UP, and higher as category. So we have decided that to give upper age level extend up to 45 years. So those who are qualified, but they have to follow the due process. They have to apply, have to be sit for the interview and all. So therefore, just to give them upper edge level of 45. That's all.